C63 came in, one injector failing, spark plugs to change, all filters, slight coolant leak from one of the turbo feed pipes. For full diagnostics, check our TikTok. Our repair and maintenance box. Let's start. Missing them grommets to click in. Nothing to worry about. Filter is from January 2020, 5 years. Service regularly every 5 years, and you're welcome for a rebuild. Coolant leak diagnosed from the water line to the turbo. Bolt missing. Somebody already touched the fuel system. It's lucky the turbo is still healthy because not doing service. Today we're skipping the oil leak. Customer is waiting for payday. We have to take this rail. Customers asking many times about this. Is a good engine to buy? Yeah, as long as you're not changing filters every 5 years, it's good. They last long. Not the best access everywhere. Metal pipe is not flexy, it's going over the rail. And we need to take out the rail.
There's a lot less plastic compared to BMW.
Man, everything is here metal. All covers. I mean, rocker covers, everything. How dare you compare these two cars? There is a Benz and the washing machines. Look how tiny it is. You can access everywhere with this. It's flexible. This injector was faulty. Made in Turkey. Slightly oily. People, take care of your Benz. I'm sure it's coming from rocker cover from this side. It's not internally. You see the spark plugs is not soaked in oil, it's clean. This is on top. Fitting spark plugs first. This is our new one. (2024) 0606. They're not staying on the shelf for 5 years. Now at the side spark plugs. Bolts. E10 or Torx 30. That's it. It's all you need to remember. Walk around. This side looks dry. I believe this rocker cover been touched. This side. And maybe not sealed well. Because these spark plugs are dry. I will tighten it up. I hate working on comfy. They're all same color, they're all nice. Like cappuccino white. I don't think it's ever been replaced. You know what the sign means? That your life is going in good direction. Everything secured. Time for heat shield now. Last screws for the heat shield. Nothing left. Oil filter now. Oil. Some plug. Three points. No, not good, not good. No any metal or something. That's it, champagne lifestyle lemonade man. Little leak here. Water pipe bolt is missing. It had some repair. As well here. Coolant leaking from thermostat. There was interesting shit here as well. You need to see with pressure tester. It might have coolant leak from oil cooler or it's coming from the top, but for me it looks like it's here. It's not from the top. Pollen filters. It's not that bad actually. Okay, we will delete all codes and see after. 60,000 miles, man. Only. Don't believe this. Today I had a Bentley in the morning. We see which one is more fun. This way better than a Bentley. Forget it.